Hi YouTube. This is my this is a Hampton Bay Antiqua ceiling fan. This ceiling fan is my sister's room. Yeah. And yeah. It's a brass ceiling fan with leaf blades. I'm not really big of a fan of the leaf blades. Yeah. This ceiling fan originally used to be in my parents' room, but now it's in my sister's room. You can see here. Anyway, I'm gonna turn on the fan now. Let's actually turn it on here. And here's the light here. Here's the fan. And it's off on low speed. And turn the light off. High. I mean medium. I'm gonna turn on high now. I'm going to turn it off now. But guys, that's it.